In today's video, I will teach you how to generate South Park style portraits using AI. Let's get started. If you've ever wondered what you'd look like in the quirky, flat, and iconic animation style of South Park, now is your chance to find out. Thanks to Photor's AI artifacts, you can instantly turn any photo into a South Park style cartoon with just a few clicks. You can start by opening your browser and go to Photor AI artifacts. Then click the upload button or simply drag and drop your image into the workspace. And make sure to choose a clear front-facing photo of yourself or someone else. This will help the AI generate a more accurate facial feature in South Park style. And make sure the face isn't heavily shadowed or blocked. And once your image loads, look at the left-hand panel where the art styles are grouped into sections. Now scroll to the cartoon section and click on the style labeled South Park style, and the AI will immediately get to work, and within about 10 seconds, you'll see your image turned into a flat paper cutout style character, complete with simple expressions and exaggerated cartoon features just like the characters from South Park. Now it's time to review your AI-generated cartoon. To do this, click on the Compare button at the bottom right corner to toggle between the original and the South Park version. And if you're not satisfied, you can click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail to generate a new version. And each one will be slightly different. And if you like the effect, you can hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites tab for quick access in the future. And once you're happy with the result, you can now click the download button to save it to your computer. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.